and then that broker had the audacity to like ask me for 500 rupees for like visiting charges. Okay y'all, so I am finally here and this is how it looks. Hi guys, welcome to a mini chaotic vlog because I am going to be attending my very first influencer event. Yes, it's the Savannah event. I mean, a lot of you already know about it through Instagram because I've posted a lot about it. But if you don't already, like, what are you waiting for? Just go follow me on my Instagram. But I have been like procrastinating a haircut for the past 2 months, and I was like, when I'll go to college, then I'll do my haircut because तब वो अच्छे लगेंगे, fresh लगेंगे, and then event आ गया. So yeah, I'm just doing it early, and they look super bouncy, so good. I'm just really happy with my hair. So that I have been trying out the outfits. It's for the past 2 hours or so, and I finally have 4 outfits that I have finalized. Yeah, so I don't know why am I freaking out so much, but it's my first event, so I think a little bit to chalta hai. But yeah, you can see सारे tags यहाँ पे पड़े हुए हैं. मैं अभी ये सब try करके देख रही हूँ. So yeah, the top looks pretty, and I think एक तो outfit done है, and now I need to start packing. Okay guys, so I just finished my makeup. बहुत ही long process था, and I don't know, it's just draining and मुझे पता भी नहीं कैसा लगेगा. So I just did my best, and now I'm going to do my hair. And now मैंने अभी देखो इस साइड रो ब्रश से किया है. So there is such a huge difference. If you haven't got your hands on this one, I'll just link it down below. Get your hands on this one. So good. अगर मेरे पास वैसे greasy भी होते हैं ना, so it just just makes it so refreshed, so good. So I'm going to be doing this, and then I'm thinking of curling my hair. So let's see. But yeah, this is the makeup look. I think I am pretty satisfied with it. But yeah, now let's use this one. Okay guys, so it's 6 o'clock. Event 6 o'clock से start होने वाला था, but it's still showing 1 hour 15 minutes. I guess I am up, I know that. मुझे तैयार होने में काफ़ी टाइम लग गया. मैंने एस्टिमेट किया था मुझे 1 घंटा ही लगेगा, but it took like 1.5 hours. And then मेरे को photos भी क्लिक करनी थी, which turned out pretty good, so I'm not mad about it. But like दिल्ली का ट्रैफिक इज़ सो बैड, एंड आई डोंट नो कि मैं कब पहुंचूंगी. मेरे को अभी बहुत टेंशन हो रही है. आई होप कि मैं लास्ट पर्सन ना हूँ बस पहुंचने वाली, बाकी सब ठीक है. मैं कल फ्लैट्स एंड ऑल देखने गई थी, एंड आई जस्ट डिड नॉट फिल्म अ लॉट बिकॉज आई वाज सुपर ड्रेन. मैं सुबह लखनऊ से 7 o'clock निकली थी, एंड वी रीच्ड हियर अराउंड 3 o'clock, एंड उसके बाद से इट्स जस्ट searching and looking for flats, and then एक broker से भी बात हुई थी, and then it really fucked up because he only showed us one flat. The area where the flat was, it was extremely disappointing. इतना तो कीचड़ हो रखा था. I know it's rainy season and उसी की वजह से था, but it was extremely disappointing. So yeah, I just did not end up choosing that one. And then that broker had the audacity to ask me for like 500 rupees charges, like visiting charges. I have already told him like all of my preferences. I told him my budget. I told him the area, and I told him कि मेरे को options चाहिए. मैं उससे pictures, मैं उससे options मांग रही थी. He was constantly telling me कि आप यहाँ पर आओ, then मैं आपको काफी options दिखा दूँगा. He only ended up giving me one option, and that girl that was living over there, she had a dog. And I just can't do with dogs. I mean, I love them, but if you ask me कि मैं उनके साथ रह सकती हूँ या नहीं, I just can't. I'm afraid of dogs. So वो तो option में ही नहीं था. The room was beautiful. Like the area was not beautiful, but the room was decent. The flat was decent. Guys, just look at the traffic. I mean, I can't. Just look at it. I don't think कि मैं time पे पहुँच पाऊँगी, but like fingers crossed. By the way, look at my nails. Like I know I've already like shown you all my nails, but like this looks so pretty. And they are from Pep Nails, by the way. If you're like all wondering, just go buy them. They're so pretty. हाँ, मैं off topic हो जाती हूँ because मैं ऐसे maps देख के रास्ता भी बता रही हूँ. It's so confusing. Like if you're like first time in Delhi, you just don't know anything, and रास्ते बहुत ही confusing हैं compared to Lucknow. So yeah, भैया आगे से यहाँ से left है, यहीं से. The sky is pretty, guys. It's so pretty. Yeah, बहुत ही इधर उधर हो गया था. The guy he sent with me to look at the places. He did not show me any other options. He's a broker and he just did not show me any other options, telling me कि और कोई options available नहीं है. So anyways, I did not end up obviously paying him because he only showed me one option, जबकि मैंने उसका अपना budget already बता रखा था, what aesthetics I had in mind. I've already told him like everything, and even then he ended up showing me the option that was totally out of my aesthetics. सीधे है यहाँ से. So that was disappointing, and then I ended up meeting a girl जिसको मैं Facebook पे मैंने ढूंढा था, and she had kind of a room situation. She had 2 rooms empty, so I ended up going over there. बहुत ही confusing रास्ता था. 10 मिनट का रास्ता होने वाला था. It took us half an hour to get there because we were just not able to figure out कि phase 2 कहाँ है, block 2 कहाँ है, block A कहाँ है, block B कहाँ है. It was so confusing, but yeah, we ended up meeting that girl, and वहाँ पे room was good, but the location was very far off. Like if I were to travel at night alone, it was just not a very safe area, I would say, because वो थोड़ा सा it's just not safe. So then I ended up meeting another broker that I had contacted a while ago, and then he showed me like several options. मैं आपकी images भी लगा दूँगी. So one was decent. I wouldn't say it was good. Like I wouldn't choose it even if I was given the option to rent it at a lesser price. But yeah, it was like 50k and above. So yeah, that was a lot. So I did not end up choosing that one. But yeah, उसके बाद जो last option मुझे broker ने दिखाया, that was like अच्छे से place पे था. Everything that basic amenities that I would need, सब नीचे है, and it's a good place all in all. But yeah, let's see. I have finalized the place, but I just just feel a place that would feel like home. वो I think मुझे 4, 5 on 10 उस वाली place पर, and I know 10 on 10 मिलना बहुत ही मुश्किल है, but like I was expecting a little 7 on 10, 8 on 10. But yeah, I don't know how I'll shoot content. I don't know how I'll shoot over there. मतलब sunlight है, the room is good and everything. But let's see. And yeah, that was about it. फिर मैं आई and मैं बिल्कुल भी नहीं सोई थी. कल मैं रात में भी नहीं सोई. पूरा टाइम कार में थी. थोड़े बहुत naps हो रहे थे, and then I was completely drained. And now I'm heading to the event, and hopefully मैं पहुँच जाऊँ जल्दी. So yeah, that was all the updates. And now I will update you when I'll reach the event. Okay, y'all. So I am finally here, and this is how it looks.
Videos. So yeah,
And I love your videos as well.
to subscribe to our channel.
And yeah guys, the event was going great, and मैं pictures and all click करने के लिए यहाँ पर आ गई थी. It was so aesthetic, and then I met some creators as well. So I met with these 2 girls, and this is Ritika and Mari. Yeah, I'm meeting them for the very first time. Yeah, it's the event is lovely. Yeah, that we are meeting for the first time. Yeah, and we are chilling and we are having fun. हम लोग जब से मिले तब से we are clicking pictures, and it's going great. Yes. And lastly, we had some food and drinks and went home. So घर पे आने के बाद I had 25 packages from Meesho, so I unboxed all of the earrings हैं. मैंने बहुत सारी jewelry pieces order किए हैं, which I will obviously show you in the video in the obviously upcoming Meesho haul. You also, these are all the items, मतलब ये clothes में I have all of these items. I am so excited to try them on. सबकी quality ना इतनी अच्छी लग रही है. I just can't wait. And also I have a lot of jewelry pieces. Some really nice actual jewelry pieces. So ये मेरे पास था already, but इसके साथ ये combo मिल रहा था. So I was like, why not? And yeah, some really nice jewelry pieces. So I'll review them in the upcoming video. And also this leaf necklace, I was really looking out for this one because I've seen a lot of people, you know, wearing this one. So yeah,